Welcome back again, guys, to the Profitable Traders. I'm so excited to share with you one of my best trading strategies that I use every week to determine the direction of the market, and has also earned me 350 pips on the trade you're just looking at. Later on in this video, I will share with you the technical analysis that I have made on the currency pairs that are on my radar for the coming few weeks. If you want me to continue making such videos every week, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I come up with new videos coming out. I actually recorded a live trade before my position was filled. Let me play it for you. Guys, this trade earned me about 350 pips and about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and it's basically based on purely price action at the key levels of structure. This is a 4-hour time frame where I took the trade, but the magic happened on a higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So what I did here, I drew the key levels of structure on the daily time frame, and I have a video linked in the description below. This market has been in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs until it encountered this key level of structure. Tested here as resistance, resistance here, resistance here, and when it reached to this key level of structure, it bounced off. It reacted to this level here, then tested it for the second time, then reacted again, then tested it for the third time, reacted, and finally closed below this level of structure that just turned into support. Now, when it closed below this level of structure, I waited for the market to come to this level, another key level of structure. That has been resistance here, been support here, and if you look further on the left, you would see it was support here as well. It was support here as well. So what I did, I waited for the market to react at this key level of structure and retest this key level of structure that just turned into support, and waited for my entry reason, and I went short. Let's come to the 4-hour time frame. Now you can use anything as your entry reason. You can use like a shooting star candle, you can use double top, you can use multiple wick rejection, you can use anything here. But for this trade, I used the gain in momentum as my entry reason. Let me explain well what I mean by that. The market came up to this key level of structure here, then put this red candle, then followed by another red candle that has a bigger body than the previous red candle. This shows gain momentum to the downside. Unfortunately, I wasn't at the computer to place my trade at the close of this candle, but by the time I got to the computer, I saw this bullish move to the upside, which is a retracement. So I placed my trade exactly here at the close of this bullish candle. And what happened? It requires a lot of patience, as the market came to this side, went back up, retested this side again, went up here. At this point, if you don't have the patience and the discipline, you would have just closed your position at the break even here. But as I have believed in my strategy, I I kept being patient. The market came down here again, went up, you know, and until my position was filled, at this point here. So this is exactly how I took this trade. Also guys, for this coming week, I'll be looking for a counter trend at this support level. As long as I get my entry reason at this level here, I'll be buying up to here. Let me also show you some of the other setups in my radar. We have Aussie dollar. This is a 4-hour time frame, so go up to the 1-hour time frame. And this 1-hour time frame here, I have this recently formed level of structure here, which I've drawn my horizontal line, and also this level of structure is being tested multiple times. We have resistance here, and if we scroll back to the left, we have resistance, we have support, we have support. So this is a strong level of structure. So I have drawn my horizontal line here at the level of structure, resistance level, and as the market is making higher highs and higher lows, which is an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows here, and got rejected at this point here. So it made a retracement, and I'm waiting for this market to go up back here to this level of structure. Then once this market gets back to this level of structure, I will go to a lower time frame where I look for an entry reason, then I go short as a counter trend. Another one is dollar Canadian. The dollar Canadian is also in an uptrend. In this case, I'm looking for trend continuation trade, because this trade here bounced off from this level of structure here and retraced back and made a higher high, which is above the previous level of structure. So what happened here, it came back again to this level here of support. So what I will do here next week, I'll drop down to my 4-hour time frame and look for the entry reason for me to continue in an uptrend. That's all I have guys for this week, and thank you so much for watching.